Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno12 FS, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find about device. Now we have to enter the version section to find the version number, which is at the top of the list. So now let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. We've got it. So now we can go back to the general settings, and here enter additional settings. Now scroll down to the very bottom, and as you can see here, we've got the developer options. So let's enter, of course. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. As you can see, we've got a lot of them. So for example, we can enforce desktop mode. We can choose or change window animation scale, show surface updates, visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected with the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, so overall the networking, etc. And basically, if you want to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher at the top. And as you can see, most of the options are not only inactive but also not visible, and after getting back to the additional settings, the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to this version number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.